Hi guys!
Okay, hi. Today what we are going to do, Arya?
We're going to make lava lamp.
What is lava?
Lava lamp.
Lava lamp. So, okay, but what is lava? Lava comes from where?
Lava comes from the volcano.
Volcano. Oh my god. Did you saw any volcano?
I saw pretend one.
You said you saw pretend volcano.
Yeah, I saw it outside.
Oh,
Yes,
and what happened when you saw the pretend volcano?
pretend volcano. The friend was not saving.
Okay. So do you wanna start with experiment?
Yeah, yes.
So what do we say? Let's.
Get started.
Yes! Okay.
So what we need to do? We need a jar.
Making noises.
Okay.
Who making noises?
On my combo.
Your combo is making noises. Can you ask him to just be quiet? Okay. So can we start now?
Yeah.
Yes. So what we need a jar, okay? A glass jar. Okay? And then we need some baby oil
Baby oil.
and we are going to fill baby oil in the jar.
Be very carefully. I just hold it.
Yes. Papa is opening the baby oil.
I'm just going to hold it. Where it cannot come out. It'll just come out.
Okay?
and spill.
We are just going to fill the baby oil.
Baby oil?
Yes.
My baby oil can drip.
What is happening? Aya, what is happening in the bottle? It has started looking like a lava. Oh, it's like a volcano. Oh. Okay.
It's going to finish.
Oh, yes. Press.
Press it.
Yes, good. Okay, that's
What's
good.
happening? What is happening? What's happening?
That's good.
The bottle is start behaving like a volcano.
Yeah.
Okay, done. And we can move this oil.
What is the noise? Is smelling?
Oh,
Smelling nice.
Yes,
It's a
right.
baby oil because Arya is a
Baby.
yes. Now we are going to put some vinegar. Vinegar. Do you know what we are going to put vinegar?
Vinegar.
now, Arya, what we are going to add?
We are going to add some colors, okay?
Yeah, color.
And Arya's favorite?
Red.
Red color.
Oh, black.
Okay.
I'll do that.
Ah.
And now I can stir it.
Look what is happening. Wow.
Oh.
More.
We are going to use some baking soda, like
Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Bing
1
bong.
spoon of baking soda, okay, with 1 spoon of water.
Can you do that?
Yes.
One small.
Yes.
You spoon that one.
Okay. Yes. Now you need to add it.
Very carefully.
Okay, wait.
Oh.
Ooh! Arya, look down. What is happening?
Oh.
Look down.
It's going to go. It's lava. It's going to go up. 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 It's going to up. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's going to come. It's going to come. It's coming.
Oh wow.
I'm going to run away. Run away. Yeah.
Add it.
Add more. Ooh. At this. Did you enjoy making lava lamp?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You enjoy, but it was boring. What was?
Was it boring?
No.
You enjoyed making lava lamp? So, I have a surprise for you.
What's surprise?
Oh my God! Surprise!
I have a surprise for you. But for that surprise, you need to answer some questions, okay?
I have been answered.
Let's see who's gonna win. Okay? Can you tell me what is this?
Chocolate syrup.
Chocolate syrup. You like chocolate syrup? So, is it a liquid or solid?
Liquid.
Liquid.
No, you don't.
My turn. It's liquid.
It's liquid. Papa, even Papa knows it's liquid. Okay, tell me, your nose is liquid or solid?
Mine. Papa, my nose is solid.
Solid. And what about Papa's nose?
Now you're done.
My nose.
It's going to be
Huh? Tell me.
Papa's nose is also solid.
and can bring that.
Okay, what about this is your favorite cheese slice? How about this cheese slice? Is it a liquid or solid?
Solid.
Solid.
You need to do it wrong.
Why I need to do it wrong?
Because
It's
it's
liquid,
solid.
no?
So you know what is solid and what is liquid. Okay? So we are going to make something.
Okay. Okay.
Okay? So for that,
Papa just don't win. Papa
Yeah.
didn't win.
Oh.
How about Papa won? How about I won?
you both won.
But he don't know what is the cheese called.
What is cheese called? Is it a solid or liquid?
It's a liquid. Yeah?
How about Arya? What do you say? It's a liquid or solid?
Solid.
Solid. Good job, Arya. You won. Okay. Arya always want to win from Papa. So, I am going to give you a tub, and now you have to make something.
Why?
You have to make something which
What?
we call oobleck. Okay?
You black.
And it's a kind of slime.
Slime.
Okay?
Did you
So-
like slime?
Do you like slime?
It's very hard.
So we are going to put some corn flour.
Yeah, come
And
on,
Papa is going to help you.
Okay.
Big. Oh.
Papa is going to help you.
It's too much. Too much. Too much. Oh. Too much. Way too much. Way too much. So we cannot add more.
Okay.
Okay.
So we need to put some water inside.
Okay.
What's happening, Daddy?
And your job is to mix it, okay?
Hey, now Arya, we will mix up color.
Which color? Which one?
Red.
Red, because Arya is wearing red, so she wants everything to be red. Red tub and red color. Oh, it's okay. Now with a very soft hand, you can mix it and make some designs.
I do that on my.
Can you put some yellow color also? And green?
All color.
Put some, every color. Oh, what What? Which color was that? This is
Yellow.
yellow. Okay. And now some green color.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Real. Oh.
It's a solid or it's a liquid?
Huh, you were saying that it's a liquid, Arya?
Oh. Arya making it fall, and when I punch it, Arya punch it.
Punch it, Arya, punch it. Punch it.
Oh.
Okay, the challenge is to make a ball for me from this.
Okay.
Okay, who's gonna win the challenge?
I'm going to make it liquid.
Okay. See, this is a
See?
ball. This is, oh. He will make
Papa
a
is
ball.
making a ball. Look, look.
He see. Yeah. Arya, it's going out.
Yeah, let's try it again.
Why? What is happening to it, Arya?
It's just going to make it fall.
When we hit it with pressure, it turns solid. See. And when we gently take it up, it becomes liquid.
Stay happy and stay healthy. Oh, take my walk, watch my videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy and stay safe. And stay lot of healthy.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.